Hi there, and welcome to part 2 of this DIY Halloween edition challenge decoration. I'll rename that in the title. So in part 1, we tried to do a Halloween DIY challenge where I tried to use limited supplies to decorate my window like I did in my senior year at dorms with Halloween decorations. In part 2, now we're going to do the inside of the dorm, the inside of my room. Because not only did I decorate my dorm for the outside, but I also decorated my dorm for the inside. So we're going to try to recreate how I recreated my dorm on the inside. So yeah, let's get started. I'm glad you're here again. If not, this is your first time, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit it after you watch this video because you might not want to subscribe after this video. So how I decorated my room on the inside with my dorms, I did a couple of things. Well, first, me and my roommate added some spooky little fairy lights, some purple fairy lights to just add to the spooky Halloween vibe. But I'm going to have to get those. I haven't gotten those yet. So. Then what I did was I painted 3 paintings. One was like an abstract painting, one was like a little mummy, but it wasn't like a full mummy, it was just like the mummy and then the eyes. We'll get into that later. And then I did like a little spider with a quote on it. So we're going to try to recreate those paintings. Then I created candles, paper candles. I created 4 of them, and together they spelled boo. So one was B-O-O, boo. And then I put a candle in them, and it looked cute. So we're going to try to recreate that and see if we can do that same like I did in my dorm. See if it comes out a fail or success again. So like in part 1, the only thing you're gonna need is craft paper, paper towels to clean your mess, paint brushes to paint with, a bowl of water to put your paintbrushes in so when you need to clean it, you clean it, a nice little thingy to put your paint on. If not, you don't have that, then just dip your brush in the bottle of paint. You're gonna need some tape to tape those papers together and to tape it on the wall. You're gonna need some scissors so that you can cut out the paper. Yep. And of course you're going to need paint, multiple paints. And you don't really have to have multiple paints because if you didn't know, if you mix 2 paints together, they can become another color. Of course you're going to need a candle so that when you cover up your little boo candle, you'll need a candle.
No. Power.
Just scare me. A nice fall decor candle. But I can't enjoy this fall decor because somebody put a sticker on top of the nice fall decoration and now I can't get it out. Thank you to whoever did that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to attempt to do is we're going to try to make the first painting that I did, which was really easy, and it was an abstract painting of a candy corn. So I literally just drew like a whole bunch of yellow halfway. And then on the lower part, I put ASMR. Orange. So yeah, I feel like a teacher. Alright class, so today we're going to be doing a drawing. And in this drawing, we're going to be coloring some candy corn. And you're going to draw like this little bit over here. And over here. And then over here. And then, alright, okay class, let's get started. And then just halfway, make that candy corn look, the abstract candy corn look, not supposed to be perfect. Lines are not supposed to be perfect because it's abstract. I think abstract's my favorite kind of painting because you don't have to be perfect with lines or anything, because anybody can be an artist. Yeah. Okay, then once you're done with that, you're going to make this part orange. Okay, so I don't have orange, so I was trying to mix colors, red and yellow. Yeah, red and yellow to make orange, and it came more out like a peachy color, but that's okay. Halfway, look at that, it looks like red, but that's okay. That's okay. It's still fine. It'll come out good. Keeping it positive. Voila, that's it. That's literally all I did when I made that painting. So we're going to let that dry. We're going to make that mummy face. So just try not to, what I did was I tried not to avoid like the middle part, because that's where the eyes are going to be basically. And then I just made stripes up and down. So I'm going to add in like a little bit of yellow to make it have that mummy look. That old dusty, tapey. Oh, a little orange color in there too. Okay, just add anything in there. Alright, and then that's pretty much it. And then I went in between and I made this black. There we go. Then we have the black. And now we're going to just add like 2 big circles, and those are going to be the eyes. Alright, now we're just going to add the big circles for the eyes, and then we'll be done for this painting. See if I can like draw a circle. More an oval than a circle. Oh man, I messed up. It's okay, he looks like he has glasses now. Alright, now we add the 2 little dots and we're good to go. Alright, lastly we're going to paint a little spider with a spider web, and then we're going to put like a little quote on it if we can fit it on there. I'm just going to like make it purple for the whole base. Okay, so now we're going to add our spider web. This is honestly so relaxing. Super relaxing. want to do is I want to make a really big spider right here. I want to make like a really big spider. Oh, that's so soothing. Like just painting one color all around is just like ASMR. ASMR. Let me put some fangs over here for this little dude. He's gotta have some fangs, right? There we go. So I'm going to write happy and then Halloween, and hopefully I don't mess this up. I feel like I'm going to mess this up. Woo! Alright, we got the happy on there. Now let's see if we can fit the Halloween on here. There's not going to be enough room. I made my L's too big. Now there's not going to be enough room. And my O's mixed up. Ugh. This is a fail. Oh no! Oh no! This is just a fail. I have to keep going though. I can't just not spell it out now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! We'll just pretend like we didn't see that. It's not there. You can't see that. It doesn't exist. Well, we'll just ignore that. Meanwhile, while we ignore that, we'll draw our little line for our little spider to hang on. And there we go. I mean, at least we got happy on there. And then we have hello, blah, 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 hello, blah, blah. Alright, so now I just want to like add some like eyes to this little guy over here, little dude. I'm going to add like one little small eye, and then I'm going to add just like one big eye, make it look crazy. I'm going to add some like teeth for him. I don't know what these are now then. It's something. That's what it is. Alright, so here's the final piece. Definitely didn't come out as planned, but I mean, it's alright, you know, it's cute, it's adorable, you know, you got the spider with, and the messed up happy Halloween, so it's okay, it's fine. I think it's still adorable, but I definitely did it better last time in dorms. Let's move on to the last thing now. What I did is I took the paper and I just basically wrapped it around and taped it and then cut it to fit if I had to. And then you'd have the boo on there, and then you light the candle and it looks all spooky and Halloweeny. I think it's montage time. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more of this and more upcoming videos. And I will see you guys next time.